no, you have to put the headphones.
Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She suck my dick till she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet so I'm clearing it. Okay.
I feel like the motherfucking Grim Reaper. The biggest smoke blower. Put a motherfucking chimney on my stick.
Okay. What's good, YouTube? So today we're at school. Pray good people. I might be off on Ready?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
She sit on herself on her friend is there. You don't fuck with her.
Nigga, you gotta report when he's asking people.
No,
I
am
am.
I gonna listen to? No, you don't want to do it. Because you say, because you're in the bad mood.
Am I about to get ear-raped or something? No. So you're seeing if it's actually good. Okay. This is mine. Both of them. Always see them. Sean. Is it cool if we are just one? Are you like mixing on both sides? Like, are you going crazy? Yeah, we're about to get ear raped, right? That's shit. He's fine.
He said he likes it.
Yeah, keep it up, dude.
Alright, follow me on SoundCloud. Yes. Can you listen to my mixtape real quick?
It's
good. Got him! It's the intro to my mixtape. Ready? Like it?
Why are you standing like that?
Is the mixtape fire?
Nigga, because I'm gonna fall.
Hey, what? Oh, you wanna hear my mixtape? Cool. Yeah, go show us the ear. Oh, no, you have to put the headphones.
Tripping, bro. You tripping.
Oh, you do it. You do it. Man, get the shot. Stop fucking fake set.
You know you got me against the sun? Son. This nigga's dumb as you. He spit bars like Helen.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Hey,
Nigga, you ugly. Shut the fuck up.
listen to my mixtape for me real quick. Yeah, listen to my mixtape. Listen to my mixtape. Fire? Yeah! Yeah! You already know.
Talk to him. Hey, stop being gay. I mean, shit.
Come on, bro.
I'll volunteer.
You'll volunteer already?
Wait, I don't know what to say. What did I talk about?
What's that? Hey, give me a topic.
Alright. Black people.
Black people. Oh,
Black people.
Again? Alright. Alright, hold on. Ready? I'm spitting on this track, but you know I'm not black. But since I'm Mexican, you know my bars are super whack. Psych! When you look at this man, you know he is black. He is not from Japan. Wait, when I pick out his hair, all you hear is statics and hair everywhere. You know that you're black, so you don't have equal rights. Once I turn off the light, I can't see you. You go bye-bye. I'm spinning on this track, but there is no beat. I wish I was black, because I would have a big meat. Now I'm about to hop back on, and when I close my eyes, 1, 2, 3, the niggas will be gone.
Got him! Got him! Bars, bro. I got bars. Yeah. Oh my God, bro, send me that. Send me that. I got you. Send me that. So what you do is
Rocky man, free Santana man, free J-Rock, free Sticky, free Pimpies man. Free Pimpies, bitch. You was on some op shit. I was cruising down a nigga block with the chopstick. Rockstar nigga, nah I need a rock bitch. We want beef, not veggies, not squash bitch. That boy like to talk. We pop out with mops. You gon' shoot a little, we gon' shoot a lot. I rock out with the chop bitch.